So here is the final soap. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous that turned out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, that is a giant cat condo behind me. Today's video is going to be extra fun because I am going to show you how we make our lemon shandy soap. And this is one of our OG Quench soaps, and our origin story is tied to this guy. So our company didn't start off with hemp focused products. We had just a regular line of regular products, and we were just trying to sell soap and bath bombs and lotions without any highlighted ingredient whatsoever. But then we were approached by this really awesome company, and they resold hemp products, and they asked us whether or not we were interested in using some of their hemp seed oil in one of our soaps so that they could add a soap to their line. Basically, we would make the soap and we would wholesale it to them, and they would sell it in their shop. And this company is called the Hemp Spot, and we love them. They are our very first wholesale customer, and we still wholesale to them. We now private label our products and they sell it under their own name, but it's thanks to them that we have this whole concept of hemp seed oil. And if you guys are watching, thank you so much for giving us this idea and this concept, because I think it really helped launch our business and take it to the next level. The soap that we created for them was this soap, and this soap is called our Lemon Shandy soap. And I don't know why I came up with the name. I really like drinking beers. I don't know if you noticed in a few of my soap making videos, there might have been a beer can in the background, but I love shandies. And I really wanted like a beer shandy themed soap, and I thought that a soap like this would be a great opportunity to do that. And I love lemongrass, and that is the main scent in our lemon shandy soap is lemongrass essential oil. There is a blend of other essential oils and fragrances that goes into this. It's a truly, I think, unique scent, which is why I'm not going to tell you guys exactly my blend. It's proprietary. I'm gonna start keeping a few things private here and there, and for everyone who has watched my channel at least for the past couple weeks knows why. But this lemon shandy soap scent, I would describe it as a strong lemongrass with some citrus and a hint of the bubbly effervescence that you would get from a carbonated drink like beer or a shandy. It's honestly one of my favorite soaps, and it's one of the prettiest soaps too. I really love this combo of pink and yellow, and there's some gold and some white in there. And there's also the beautiful calendula petals on top. I will show you today how I make a soap like this. So if that is something that you're interested in, keep watching. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jerika. I'm the owner and creator of Quench, and on this channel, I talk all about how I make my products like our gorgeous lemon shandy soap. And I also talk about how I sell those products. I talk about my e-commerce platforms and also my farmers market experiences. And if that's a journey that you are also on, then subscribe, because this is the channel for you. And now, without further ado, let's get into it. Like I mentioned before, this soap scent is proprietary to our company, but it is mostly made of lemongrass, and I get my lemongrass from New Directions Aromatics. The colors of the soap is going to be a beautiful pink and gold, which I will be using mica for that, and a little bit of titanium dioxide to mix in a white swirl. We're going to top it with calendula petals. I'm also going to be adding to this soap some exfoliation to it, so it's not just a smooth bar. There's going to be a little bit of ground orange peel powder in it. So this soap has a lot of components. It's one of my more advanced soaps because lemongrass, this one from New Directions Aromatics, causes the soap to accelerate. So sometimes when I make the soap, I get a few air pockets in the middle, so I'm going to try to avoid that. But yeah, this is basically what our lemon shandy soap is going to be all about. Just a little bit of an update on our company. We are in the process of rebranding and changing our labels and actually renaming some of our soaps. We are going to be keeping our tried and true bestsellers, lemon shandy of course, but I think we're going to change the name to be something else, as well as our French lavender. We're going to change that as well. We're going through a shift in the company, and we're going to be launching a brand new website. Probably by the time I launch this video on Friday, that new website will be up. So if you're curious to see what the new website looks like, head on over there. I am so proud of it. I made it all myself. So if you go see it and you think it's gorgeous, my site is hosted on Shopify, and I really love their templates. So if you're thinking about making a online store, head over there. But I'm very excited to show you guys our new brand. It's not that much different, but definitely an improvement from the old brand. So I got the lye and water cooling down. It takes about 2 hours for them to fully cool down to the temperature that I want them to, and I soap it about under 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And I know I should be doing things to make things faster, like using the hot lye water to melt down the oils. There's a term for that I can't think of the name of right now. I'm sorry, but what's the word? Now it's bothering me. Heat transfer. The heat transfer method, I hear, is excellent for cutting down time, the whole wait time for getting the temperature of your lye water down faster and all of that. But I'm not up to that level yet. I need to up level so many things, but I'm just doing things slowly. I wanted to also drop this little bit of a tidbit. I've decided to support a fellow soap tuber by purchasing an entire line of her soaps, and I'm really excited for that package to get here. I'm not gonna say who it is, but if you guys follow her, you probably know she just released something recently, so you probably already guess who it is. If you have any guesses, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But I'm really excited to support her because I'm giving more hints here, but she is like the OG soap tuber. I have watched her for years and years, so to get my hands on her products, stoked. Also really excited to be supporting someone who has paved the way for so many of us, not just soap tubers, but soap business owners. So I'm just really excited and can't wait to share that with you guys when that package gets here, which I hope it comes soon, but who knows, we'll see. There's Kale working in the backyard. We have gathered random wood that the city cuts around our town, and we keep them in a pile because we do have a fire pit in our backyard back there, and Jiggy's enjoying the sunshine. So now that I have my lye water cooling down, I'm going to use this time to measure out my soft oils and my hard oils and get that melting over the stovetop in a double boiler, and I will see you guys in a bit.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
Guys, big emergency. I was just finishing up pouring my liquid oils, and then we hear this horn, and it sounds like the big ship that is moored right now in Georgia Bay is on its way out, and we're in a small town, guys. This is big news, and we want to go see it. So we're gonna head over to the harbor and see if we can see this boat heading out of the harbor. Guys, this is just like big news. You don't understand how big of a deal this is. It's a big deal.
What we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
So we're home now, and my oils are melted, and now all that's left to do is to combine my oils and lye together and pour this soap, which I will take you along with me on that journey right now.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in.
Ooh, look at that goggle line on my forehead. So I just poured the lemon shandy soap, and oh my god, I love the smell so much. I love the smell of lemongrass, I love the smell of citrus, and I love the sweet undertone that is also in there as well. One of my favorite blends for sure, and such a huge reason why this soap is so popular. And I will show you guys the cut tomorrow morning, so I will see you then. And yeah, have a good night, and I will see you in the morning. This is so awkward, I'm sorry, I never know how to finish. I never know how to sign off, you know? Hey guys, it's the next morning, and the lemon shandy soap is solid enough to be cut. So I am going to cut it right now, and I will take you guys along with me.
Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her? A bit more so. Why must the curtains come down? Why must the curtains come down? Softness now. In the end, we should leave something special. Let him talk. As long as my name is on their lips, call me mysterious. Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her? A bit more so. Why must the curtains come down? Why must the softness now? Why is it hard on my own? Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her? A bit more so. Why must the curtains come down? Why must the curtains come down? Now. In the end, I wish to be someone better to help me with this comparison. Call me mysterious.
So here is the final soap. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous that turned out. And you can see how it's this gorgeous yellow color, and if you look even closer, you can see the little fine orange powder granules in there. And the gorgeous calendula petals that are on top. If they could focus. There you go. Again, one of our most popular and favorite soaps. The OG, it's the soap that launched our business, and we love it and are so proud of it. So that is it. That is the entire process from beginning to end. If you guys are curious about buying this soap, we are launching our brand new website today. If you go and look at our website right now, it should be updated. So excited for you guys to see the new site and everything that we've done to it. And really hope that you enjoy these types of videos. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to see more. And until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, keep posting when nobody's reading, and keep making when nobody is buying, and just don't give up and know that there's an entire community here behind you. Have a great day, guys, and a happy Friday. Bye.
I wish to be something special in the end. I wish to be so much better in the end. I wish to be me.